Sophomore year in high school, didn't know what I wanted to do, accidentally got into a welding class. The counselor was like, hey, there's an open spot in here. Do you want to try it? I was like, sure, why not? So went into welding class, never welded a day in my life. My parents weren't really welders. My dad welded, but he didn't do it as a like main profession, like traveling and welding or anything like that. Start welding, and I'm like, hey, this is pretty cool. So I do it. Sophomore and junior year, I really get into it. A couple graduates from our high school come back that were welders. They show us their check stubs, and I was like, holy crap. So I really stayed at it in high school. I welded a whole bunch, really enjoyed it. Welded after school, quit sports, got really good at it for a high school level. And then I graduated high school and went to the Kentucky Welding Institute. I learned how to weld for 6 months, and then I graduated. My first job was on an oil rig welding, and after that, it just snowballed.